everyone. So today we'll learn about interrupted mating experiment. So this is one of the most frequently asked question in the CSIR in part B and part C both, and it is one of the most easiest concept which we come across in the genetics unit. So first of all, we'll understand that what this concept is all about in brief. Then we'll go through the steps to solve the question related to the topic, and then we would solve one question from the CSIR which has come in the past years. So first of all, let us understand. So basically, this is a technique that is used to map the bacterial genes by determining the sequence in which the donor genes enter the recipient cells. So what we are doing in this method or this experiment, we are just mapping the bacterial genes in to determine the sequence in which they have entered the recipient cells. And also, when we sequence something, we need to find the distance between them. So the distance between the genes is calculated in minutes. Even this particular line, or we can say this particular information, has been asked in the CSIR once directly, and the question was, which of the following units is used to calculate the distance between the genes, and the answer was minutes. So we can easily get 2 marks out of this particular thing. So now you need to understand one thing, that these questions are easiest to solve and to get or to fetch 4 marks out of the paper. So these are the steps to solve the question. There are just 3 basic steps which we need to go through, and then congratulations, you have got 4 marks, and which is a very big number when it comes to CSIR. It can change your rank by wonders. So the step 1 is just analyze the options given. Whatever option is given in the question, just analyze them. Then carefully write the order based upon the time. This is a very important thing. You need to carefully write the order based upon the time. I'll let you know how to write the order when we'll solve the question. And now just match your order obtained with the questions you have analyzed, and then congratulations, you have got 4 marks. So let us solve a question for a better understanding of the topic. So now let us solve the question. So in this question, it is asking for us to find out the order. So as you can see, there are 2 graphs given in this question. So first of all, let us analyze the graph, and then we'll find out the order. So if we analyze the graph, we can fetch this information depending upon what is given or what is depicted in the graph. Graph 1 or graph A shows that arginine came before 10 minutes, leucine came at 20 minutes, and GAL plus, that is GAL plus, came at 30 minutes. And if we observe graph B, we can say arginine came before 10 minutes, histidine came at 10 minutes, GAL came at 30 minutes, and PUR came at 40 minutes. So we just need to arrange these genes depending upon the time at which they came. So if we analyze and arrange the genes according to the time, we can calculate or we can find out that the correct order would be ARG, then histidine, then leucine, then GAL, and then PUR. Hence, option B is the correct answer. We can easily get 4 marks from this question because it is a very easy question. We just need to mark the answer depending upon the time at which the genes came, and then we need to just put them in correct order and mark the answer. So, thank you. Keep learning.